Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the reforestation. Number 1. Reforestation means planting trees where forests were lost. Number 2. Reforestation brings back lost habitats for animals. Number 3. It is part of efforts to save biodiversity. Number 4. It prevents soil erosion and protects land. Number 5. It creates new green spaces in communities. Number 6. It improves water quality by filtering pollutants. Number 7. It enhances the beauty of landscapes. Number 8. It contributes to combating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide. Number 9. It is essential for a healthier planet. Number 10. It gives hope for a greener tomorrow. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.